So me and David built this really cool contraption of, well, it's not all that special, but we put it together. We think it's cool. We have a 350-gallon tank of water and a pump and a hose reel. And we fill it up with spot-free water. And I've used it once before and it worked out pretty well, but David hasn't used it yet. And so I just spent a week flying on the coastline of San Diego, and I thought I better wash like the sea breeze off and kind of just get any salt water, any salt that would end up on the helicopter off of it. And so it is cleanup day. All right, we got mine scrubbed down. Time to put it back in the hangar. We're gonna let it drip dry inside the hangar. We'll clean the floor later. And then as mine drip dries, we're gonna wash David's, and then we'll start the detailing once we get inside. What are you doing down here, David?
Just washing my bottom. My mom always said to keep the bottom clean.
I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.